All right, good Friday morning, 8:54, looking at hazy sunshine over Lexington. Some cirrus clouds drifting through the state this morning, but yesterday at this time, we already had some clouds, some cumulus clouds that were beginning to build up, and that was actually slowing our warm up, okay? So this morning, we've got more in the way of sun getting through so far, and that's allowing us to warm faster. We're at 76. We were 76 back at the top of last hour. Here in just a moment or two, we'll get the updated temperature, and we're likely up around 80 degrees. Winds are out of the south at 5, and that dew point number, the higher that, anything above 70, it is oppressive. It's very tropical. Elsewhere, we're climbing mid and upper 70s. Look at Flemingsburg, up at 80 already. Campbellsville at 79. There are those wispy cirrus clouds pushing south. Those are not rainmakers at all. We are looking, though, at a front to the north of us. This front is helping to spark some scattered showers and storms along it that goes all the way back into the plains. For us, though, we're under the influence of a big heat dome, all right? Now, it's only going to get stronger, that high pressure is, next week. But let's talk about today. We could see some pop-up showers or storms this afternoon. They'll be very isolated, similar to what they were yesterday. Now, the weekend, scattered storms. We've talked about this all week long, that a weak frontal boundary would try to get far enough south and provide at least a few more storms. That doesn't mean that everybody sees them at all. A lot of us are still dry over the weekend. Then into Sunday, same story here. So here are the highs today. Low and mid 90s. Heat index values here 98 to 106. I know that's a big range there, but not everybody is going to see the triple-digit heat indices this afternoon with that small chance for an isolated shower or storm. Warm and muggy and mostly clear tonight, back in the low to mid 70s. So the next big thing, still talking about that heat dome that continues to build. Watch here as it spreads east, and then into early next week, it gets hotter, not just for us, but for the mid-south, back into the plains, the Midwest. But there is some relief at the end of our 7-day forecast, and we'll be ready for it. After the heat and humidity, we're going to have a long stretch of 90-plus days. Low 90s today. Over the weekend, with some more clouds for sure around, scattered clouds, partly sunny, and a few storms for some spots. I think we shave off a degree or two from the temperatures, but still close to 90. Then heading into next week, some mid-90s, Tuesday, Wednesday, and there is some much-needed relief with the cold front, 86 by next Thursday.